So here's the deal. About a year ago, on Prime Day, I got a DJI drone. And I love this little thing. Haven't got to fly it much. Wish I had got some video of the snow and whatnot this winter. But, alas, I did not. Anyway, it's been living here in this little bin, up on a shelf, for about a year. And I don't like that. Yes, you can buy a case and all that stuff, but I did it. So it's been in the little egg carton like thing that it comes with in the box. But we have 3D printers. So we have 3D printed a case. And we're going to put that together. I made this out of PETG. I don't normally print PETG, but I had a spool of it. And, well, I was going to use it because it was sitting here for a couple years with no use. Because I don't use PETG. I don't really care for it too much, but weather resistant, unlike PLA. And like I said, we have it. Now, it's got a little bit of string. So, I find the best way to deal with such things is to get a torch. That's what we got here. So, we got a torch. We're just going to melt all those little flyers. And then they'll just come right out of there. I'm sure anybody that's been 3D printing for any length of time has done this and knows this. But we've got them, so it bears repeating. There you can see them. Quick torch. And they're gone. Got a couple more over here. Hit those. And we're done. Let me grab, there's a little bit of a bit on here where the print ended and the filament retracted while the nozzle was close to it. We'll just go ahead and take care of that. Pair of nips. Now, could I tune PEG print better than this? Absolutely I could. Am I going to? Absolutely not. Because unless I absolutely have to, I won't be buying any more PETG. I much prefer ABS, ASA, or PLA for the kids' toys. Anyway, so on the top here, there's a little theme that you can print a TPU seal for if you so desired. But you can also just take a piece of TPU, lay it in there because it's sized for such. Now these cases, this particular one is available on printables. Many like it. This case particularly has been made to be able to modify, fit whatever you wanted. I've got the same case, modified slightly different, to hold my de-pinning tools for Molex. But there you go. Now you got a gasket in there. This lid has a little lip on that'll seal into. Put that on there. And with 4 pieces of hardware, we'll have a case. Needs 4 M3x30 screws, which are cheap enough to pick up on Amazon if you don't have them. If you find yourself building 3D printers, you probably already have them on hand. But just drive those 2 screws into the hinge in the back. If you have an electric screwdriver, here's where it would help. But alas, mine doesn't have a bit on it. I didn't think to grab one. But for the probably gonna be faster just to grab that than it is to sit here and spin that in. Grab the electric screwdriver, or a bit, and we'll be off to the races. That way I don't waste all you guys' time with the video. Screw that in. It's easy. It still takes way too long. Oh, I take it back. We're going to need six. 6 of these screws. Because we'll need 2 more for the bottom. For where this latches in. I'm going to go ahead and start these ones by hand. About just shy, so I can make sure that the end actually goes into the hole correctly. It's lined up right, and we don't damage anything. While power tools are great, being able to feel what you're doing is better sometimes. One latch. One, let's grab 2 more screws. Go ahead and get this one started by hand again. So it comes out the other side. Latch on there. Through. That sounds absolutely terrible. And then electric screwdriver through. Again by hand so we don't blow out the side of this. And we can make sure our screws lined up with the hole when it comes out the other side. Have it. Right. There's our 2 latches. Yep. Not having any fingernails. That sucks. Well, there you have it, all closed up. Now, let's see if it fits our stuff. So here's our controller. Here's our drone. Lovely. And then up here, where your extra batteries would normally go, if you have like that kit, we're going to go ahead and throw our extra cables, charging cable, and I'll get a charging block to throw down in there. And now our drone, nice and safe, in a semi-waterproof container, ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you want links to this or any of the other many cases like this, or you want to modify one of these cases to fit something that you need, I'm going to have links in the description. Have a great day.